Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share different type of storage containers with which I organized my pantry. While purchasing the containers, we need to have some points to be kept in the mind. I want to share my ideas in this process. These type of storage containers are also important as we use them for many years. We need to look into the durability as we need to wash and dry them up for a long time. So let's see what are they and what are the points you need to keep in mind. I like to have the clear containers in the pantry because we exactly know what is the contents in it and how much is left out. This is very helpful in grocery purchases and all. And we get the clear containers in the plastic and the glass. We can organize with these type of mason jars. They come in a different sizes and a pack of 6 or 12 for a reasonable price. They are very clear and when we keep them together it looks so pretty. The white lid I purchased from Amazon and I replaced with the old one. These type of glass containers from IKEA are my favorite one. It has a very nice lid and it also airtight container and it is a capacity of 64 ounce, that is 1.8 kgs, so it can hold a decent amount of items and they look pretty and it will give you aesthetic look for your pantry. One of the important things we need to consider is the size of the containers and it depends on the many factors like the family size and frequency of cooking varieties and also the size of the packets you get it from the grocery stores. For example, we eat rice and dal on a daily basis, so we need a bigger containers for these dal and rice and also for the chapati powder, and we need to decide on how many of these size is required. These big size glass containers are from IKEA. They hold up to 112 ounces, that is more than 3 kgs of weight. They are very good to store in a large quantity. This type of plastic 50 cup food storage containers with the flip lid is also useful to store the bulk quantity of rice or flour. It has wheels and along with the cup, serving cup. I purchased these small mason jars for sugar, tea and chili powder. As we use them regularly, this size is so convenient to grab and use it on everyday basis. I also labeled with the contents. Boost and coffee powder and brown sugar, coconut sugar are in the same color. If we buy the same size for more number of jars, it looks so beautiful. It looks unique and peaceful. We need to make sure that there is a space between these two jars so that it is easy to grab the behind the jars. These OXO food storage containers are also very good to store the food and they look so pretty. They are very clear. They keep the food items very fresh for a long time. I kept the atta in one of the large containers of this OXO container. Because of this pop-up lid, the food inside the container is very fresh. They come in a different sizes and they are pretty to arrange your food items in the pantry. These are the plastic containers that I purchased in Walmart long ago. They are big in size, so I was using them for some of the ingredients. These type of containers are very useful for the cereals. It has a nice lid and it can open and we can pour the cereals. It's a plastic one, so there is no fear of breaking. These steel containers are very versatile. They are easy to clean and they stay longer. It has see-through lid and airtight containers. The only drawback here is we cannot see the contents, but we may remember by usage. In USA we rarely find these type of containers. These containers we purchase from Macy's. They will stay for a long time and they are also good containers. These are the free containers that came up with the masala oats. They are looking very pretty and they are sleek. They look like equal to IKEA containers. Because of this sleekness, we can keep anywhere in our pantry. So that's why I kept these containers along with IKEA containers. These are the plastic containers we get it from the Costco when we buy the products. These are large in size and it can hold a lot of item, and they are also very convenient to grab the can like this. So this is also good to store so many items in the pantry. These are all the containers I have been using it from a long time. Initially we used to have less number of storage containers. Gradually the count increased. Having less inventory is easy to maintain. I hope this video is helpful to you while purchasing the containers. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye. If you like this video, please give a like.